Ebusa comedians so Bonohene. Any TikTokers, Abe blasted John Mahama, any NDC leadership, ever electricity and water bill, I just say, Nebo, ebe cost and tumu ebe ba. Enyasim kuma. Memo nchiri mu no achire wadwen amame. Ewo comment section. How you Penyah broke media. Mess was say need Obe like video no other ma put subscribe button na be click notification icon latest update na be chere wadwen dia amame. Ewo comment section. Mess obaso. No ahye for so enya bi ahye. And you know, over Ghana hanom a yakọ for election mu no. And this for can bo shansen bebrebe na chere Ghana for. Ese omba run tax free economy. Economy a enfa taxes emegu ne man for so because sikani Ghana ha. All them Ghana is in the bottom, but their source of tax every Ghana for so. And this is for can that same way. Everybody running power. I'm almost the utility bills. Every campaign, light bill, water bill, and all those kinds of bills. You know, because any work on their cost room, a good for a buying wasa. It will only munajuma. Ain't young 20 woman. Now, Mahama ba, or maybe be able perform. Hey, electricity bill, a perform, water bill, a perform. Na omanu mu ahen high to mfo no ye ho betoye ema me kai kra say during the explanation for 24-hour economy no setting the kan esi so pain say Mahama ebetwa electricity bu ade bu wo fom kura na magana fo
24-hour economy no dia yabaye ni say abai ebetwa electricity bu a ewo fom kura edi ama enyumayefo a mo beba adwuma anajo no mabeya adwuma enti mo amoye fundraise mo amoye welders mo amokrakra cars ne dia manema mo hia electricity pa no mo penufo na mo adwuma emfaso abamu a mo be sign na mo ba adwuma anajo use electricity a na ne bo aye den akofom wo mo aye iron rods ene aye amu use anyama wode kese no mo be ye mo adwuma anajo a wo be hu se anyama wode bo obekọ fam pa aboamo ama manya mfaso na maburu no so wo mo anya adwuma aye enti abana nteni a kire 24-hour economy num na mujitumu a eno aye game changer ewo oman Ghana.
But to our dismay ya buy 205 you know said the electricity bill and water bill and tumu esi kono ati free enye easy ati free yanka bi shemu enra ana PURC a Public Utility Regulatory Commission omo make post bi awo mo kire mu say nyame yaduma starting 1st January 2026 there's going to be a 9.8% increment in electricity tariff. Just a light bill no yebetum by 9.8%. Yeria water bills yebetum by 15.92%. Not just say, okay said your mind is equal see to two taxes ma a high, but aketion to a low. Obakai, teacher fund to mobile, teacher fund to mobile na just 9%. But if electricity bill cry ebe 9.8%. Now water bill is equal 15.92%. A government that promised us say oba utility bills oba na kofma mayeno. This is what the government is intent doing. You see 205 mu ya two electricity bill mu to the point they say out of force ko gina Parliament House already budget na odi anigye e kasa ese ECG am making revenue Ghana yinya bida ba wa me hu say electricity bill ntumomodi aba no ebuye komu on the sika no munya na anigye ho ECG revenue no kwa na to force you interested ewo mu now you know and this for no ho ebi mo dwene se nkwasiafo adwe ba ye no and this for defense nyina ne say I MP for say moji mun kama no ntum ko mu ni munyansa o ka mu hu no say this utility bills no it is tied to IMF deal.
Me catch that was said 99% of MPP for mo ya moa me catch mo ya moa ontim ase hwe soro ho no mo hu ade na eda ho no saa de we sei eye akufu ado ne ba omea ene di mirika de Ghana ye electricity ni ye water bill esade tumu sem peace wo no mo de call IMF say omo de kokko je besia wu omo de kokko je $3 billion besia ɛbɛtena ase di sika no man fa anye bibiara ɛbɛyɛ nhyɛ da Ghana for so say every blessed quarter of year 3 months bia wɔ Ghana ha no ɛwɔ se increase electricity bill ne water base.
Sɛdeɛ nkɔfo mu sɛbi ɔmu ebi esi agimie no sɛdeɛ ebi esi agimie no na ɔmu refi sɛ ɔbɛkae January yɛtɔ ba wie 2024 na yɛde Mahama kora nya mɛtena akunya so no January mu ɛna ɔyɛ interview na yɛ busa no question ɛfa e-levy ɛne betting tax ɛne COVID-19 levy no asɛm Mahama ɛkae ne sɛ the COVID-19 levy the e-levy and the betting taxes no they are tied to IMF deal. They are tied to IMF deal. Just say IMF financial rescue deal na Ghana na IMF for sign no. Mama be MH say the COVID-19 levy, the betting tax and e-levy no. It is tied to that deal. And it be a little difficult. So made him atwam, but at the end he was able to scrap it. By June, Mahama was able to scrap these taxes. And it is a more kikan kwasi asem say Yakufa na de Ghana kwese IMF and you say ma year biara and say bia no yentoto electricity bill mu a bill no hana gida sika no aya na se mo gimi sika no kwa go vado nsem na say now hana sika no hana kwa nsem ato force begina para na o na say na ni age anandi fo nkwase afo mu nsuo nyansa na mo gimi nti ato force ka say you are making revenue of 1 billion mu buza sika no free fa na buy dey na sika no buy na musa na question no ese eyeda na 1.7 billion yenya free hene mo nsuo nyansa musa na question no isi ntumu electricity ni water bill ntumu a eba no ende na hu hia mo okan de mani age ato is forcing baba nsuo nyansa musa na sika ko ato force bodum sika na free fa na buy mo kan kwase asem NNPP na de we ko IMF ada NNPP na so rule o mine no eyeda na betting tax ni e-level mo say ye de call IMF no eyeda mo ntimi free ho no na we de mo ntimi nyifo eboa mo ntimi ma ye din ana ye kan na mo da bonda kwase IMF mo kwase IMF achi ye boss ope na mo kwase IMF achi but kan ho na eje IMF register say mo na mo register no is it IMF who is taking the money and as I am mo na mo take his no sometimes we must reason a little bit as humans we should stop reasoning as animals am why na register no IMF na eje and Ghana government na register no out of us in parliament already said you are making revenue of 1.7 billion. Okay, it's got a common IMF and I say a Ghana Fusika. Sometimes some of you should reason little. Munsuya nyansa kakana munya mu yinipa. Munsuya nyansa kakra. Now you know, anyway, I understand say inflation rate are falling. Abedru 8.something%. Mewa ECG. Hey, electricity bill kwane kosro, water bill kwane kosro. Eno ana Bonohene any TikTokers abe blast Mahama na mamu scam.
Now the yanko IMF ni bi. Nyansa na yedi ko yenti no. IMF ka se freeze employment. Na de na mo de mo ba kakra o mo tima freeze. Mo anim kura mo de kokura de yenhwe. Mo anim yenhwe. Na brofo ba na mo de kwakọ kacha IMF fo. Hwakufo de so atuo mo na wa kana se so na brofo papa Queen's English. O ti aze mo kwa padding ye de ma ayi padding mo kwa padding ye mo de ma man ko ye minia and na obi a mo share bo ka che se mo ba mo be boa yen amadwuma buso mo de budget ba ya enka ho bi esumo tinya 4.1 billion de ma sami jamfi onso sami jamfi amini no minia wo pego be pa
no ya ba man Ghana fo hu se woni hu te a wo de boa Ghana fo Yankwati am say inflation a drop about 6.3%.
hey President Mahama
Ya can inflation Ghana for muntian ye pa o and no man boss na si hwihwiri kosoro e wo dwa so. Say bia na wakoto banche and I would turn the 10 city ade a chen wo kwa yesi akọ 20 ade che yesi akọ 40 yesi say ejina. Ejina means ade no bo emra from a drop atiaba form 6.3% and reflect it. Now the ordinary Ghanaian na wo sunu so kodwa so a time for drum woko kantamanto woko makola woko kejetia Cape Coast tamale woko nsuta woko kofodia woko sunyane wotadia wontimi ntono wontimi ntobi ba wo catch the ordinary Ghanaian say inflation a drop abedu 6.3% but woko dwa so a ade na wo tono ne bo kura kwosoro emma form enyina de egyina yase ato ade num na ne inflation a ate aba fam no ekire sɛn sa nipa no a no kɔtɔ ade no sika ne bɔtɔm obetim dia kɔtɔ ade no de wɔtɔ no yɛntɔ osi o ye ba ye sika sɛm ayi ne de he what sika ne nyinaa kogu dam ana wote sika no so ana wakata sika no so sabe bajimi fo no so kane ade hyɛ mpaase mi hu obi anadwene mu da ho wo modam na kom de no na ono ani sika wo ne botom na wontimi nyi bi ntɔ aduane ni enya bosia enya obi sika wono ani fifire ekom de no wo wu enketenkete ate no wo wu nipa no wabɔda manso no wu.
I think on this point he has misbehaved.
Akwaba aya simple. Who was sika ye twa oka. Wo ye adwuma bo so me no so ye du pe ama wo. Pe na ye de ma wo no ekom de wo. Enketenkete che wo. Wo se me nyi sika le bi ntɔ aduane ni. Edi asɛm a me diska ne hye me botom. Isa brante bi a menim no. Na man fo se sika gum botom. Wo so ekom de wo. Wu a ɛyɛ nkwase awuo abadamfo awuo no wawu
Ne ka na da ho do
kani bi na ndi si aban yɛ no wɔman ne sika no wɔgye na ade akɔhyɛ dam na ɔte so ɛna Ghanafoɔ ɛkɔm di ɔmo no mu su ɛnya mpipifoɔ na esu o ɛyɛ Ghanafoɔ na esu because minimum ndc foɔ bi ade akyi a sabe ɔman sere ade ɔmo bedi kura den mepatɔ mo fama no nsi yie Oman sra oman fro bi anka nchen se ne de wa moa me aminidi akwaba me ni man dis fo bi a me de bi om srim ska
Om de oma bon na ye kasa om nte no.
om srim ska hey om do so na me se na mo ban na aba na me de me firi he na mo se aba srim ska mun kan kire John Dramani Mahama and finance minister se Ghana sika na ode aguda mu o mote so no o munyimpie.
Oh, the whole bad, the whole brutal.
Na paper so ye kama. Ti paper so ye kama. Bibi bia drop it. Economic growth ukosoro. Dollar to see the year. Ya te petro so. And away na komo do ma. We ya sabi nyansa be na wo we mu.
We boy.
Obi rafia say, "Mama ha mi was ka bebre sa me mpaase." Omo bai so ma etekwa na usu. Omu bisa wo ma de enti omu su omu se kom de yen maame no susu o ska bebere hyempa so de kyerɛkyerɛ amanfo maame no modam logic akraba we nya atem o logical thinking
If it is foolishness, it is foolishness. And yet him did you.
ade ne nya ebon na ebon asaya na asai munyi sika ne mpia bro nya eba na Ghanafoɔ su no muntimi mpepa kakra na de wo ton ade no yentimi meto no ntimi hwe na busua finito na munya say inflation a drop it says by 6.3% and since 2021 since why brofo cosmetics
Wow.
Shame. More money and more. Conquente Shaba. I am a little Talia. Azuku. Azuku. Whoa. This morning, I'm looking at NDC. It is just so embarrassing. So embarrassing the way these people are slapping us with taxes every day. It's so scary. I'm going to take you through the taxes they introduced in 2025. And we have, abide by it. We pay. First, on 1st July 2025, NDC introduced 15% VAT on non-life insurance premium. That is fire, marine, and travel insurance and properties. They introduced on 16th July 2025, they introduced 1 cedi per liter on reverse energy sector fuel levy. You understand? On 1st July 2025, modified taxation schemes, that is personal income tax, on informal sector premium. And in 2025, they introduced from 1% to 3% increase on growth and sustainability levy.
and on and on and on. 2025 taxes. And 2026, the number of taxes they increased was 2% growth and sustainability levy, 2% special import levy, 15% VAT on non-life insurance, energy sector shortfalls, and debt repayment levy, 1.95% for petrol and 1.93% on diesel, 8% levy on petroleum products, and fishing levy. The taxes introduced in 2025 is about 8 different taxes. Can you imagine a country that you tout your economy that is doing well, a robust economy, the dollar is working, and you are introducing this number of taxes? Damn shit. And just to my surprise, yesterday I fetched water with my motorbike to the extent that I was tired. Just to my surprise, I came and picked my phone and I saw that they have introduced additional tax utility tariffs on water and electricity starting 1st January 2026. This is just abysmal trust record. Mahama, President Mahama, with all due respect, if you can manage this economy, leave. Leave. Because you are doing nothing. And every day, what we are slapped with is taxes, tax. Mahama new name is Taxation. Mr. Taxation.
Imole eka bifi we de me da obi biara se mo am send me message mo am frɛ me ma me yako no ya me hra obi biara na me wo yie me betade bi ahye me bufu ye da sorry government of Ghana President Mahama mo SA2 ye electricity tariffs mo 9.86%, almost yen ka say 10% ano no ensi ho a wasa kotu nsuo mpo a uko wage aside ha bebre na omu pipe 3 months 4 months mpo na pipe mbai yasa kotu mu 15.92%, almost 16%. Musu no salary amatu mu afiwi 9% pe 9% pe. Now the tariffs bebre say ba I don't get it. Every hifa na eba ha afiwe nko amahu electricity me so tosisi a wum nasan me ye ha say anye bikra 600 de a quite month yen yisu hwe asa yen yisu AC. What is going on? Uko kan ye say dollar ba from ena inflation about down. Who called Jomuha last year? Nyama Penkena yeton 5 cedis na about 3 cedis. Nyama buo kwa na ekosro. Nyama buo ntiye. Uko kan ye say dollar and a dollar about from and a we are from. Yes, nanu ya na mukofa 1 cedi etu 1 liter of petrol bia obia beto bia mi boa. Every petrol 1 liter bia beto bia no mu de 8% aka hu se mu de solve electricity problem. Osumu sori a kun na mu kun ye. Party tin sunu obi hu problem of this. Ukoka obeka tell say dollar abafom. Nti dollar abafom. Onye nyen fa ni says dollar abafom na inflation ba down no. Na a reflect wo jom ho aba ade na reflect o de yemfa ne say a reflect wo jom ho anyama badanwa ntini nyama badanwa nti ese wo fatasis engu konfo so man yi levy makofa no that taxes almost 8 tax ena mudi aba even airport ayi 5 cedis a omu charge sisi akọ 100 cedis. What is all this? Mu kunya o. Ena Ghana problem a solve. Enye de ye ti Akufo-Addo deja ye na ye wo mu.
kyerɛ wadwe ma me ɛwɔ comment section. Ayi Penyah Block Media. Akra.